With Android 14, Google introduced the Ultra HDR feature, which allows users to capture HDR images and videos and view them back in HDR format on a compatible phone. This feature has already been implemented on some flagship smartphones from Chinese brands, but Samsung didn't introduce it with One UI 6.0. However, it looks like the company is working on that feature. It is being reported by Tipster Ice Universe that Samsung will introduce the Ultra HDR feature with the Galaxy S24 series. All three phones in the lineup, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, are rumored to come equipped with Super AMOLED screens with up to 2,500 nits peak brightness, which, if true, would be 42% brighter than the Galaxy S23 series. Thanks to the screen's brightness capabilities, it would be perfectly suitable to display HDR images and videos captured with a camera. Currently, HDR images and videos captured on most Android smartphones are mapped to the SDR display range and displayed in SDR, losing extended dynamic range information. Some Android manufacturers have implemented their own ways to display HDR media on HDR-capable displays, but Android 14 brings a standard for that feature. The Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus are rumored to feature the Exynos 2400 processor in most markets globally. In Canada, China, and the US, though, the upcoming phones will reportedly use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, though, will reportedly exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip across the world. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus could have 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs/512 gigs storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have 12 gigs/16 gigs RAM and 256 gigs/512 gigs/1 TB storage. All three phones will come with Android 14-based One UI 6 software out of the box and come with support for at least 4 major Android OS updates. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a titanium body, while the other two phones in the lineup could continue using aluminum for the frame. All three phones are expected to feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. They could also feature stereo speakers and in-display fingerprint reader. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly have a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus could have a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S24 4,000 mAh and Galaxy S24 Plus 4,900 mAh will have slightly higher capacity batteries than their predecessors. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for joining me in this video. If you found value in what you've witnessed, kindly consider showing your support by clicking the thumbs up icon and subscribing by hitting the button below. Peace out.